All right, good morning. It is now 6:30 in the morning. It's a little bit later than I would have liked it to be. Normally I try to get up at about 5:15, but I was knackered. So, yeah, I slept. It was a busy weekend. Anyway, today is the last day I've got in quite a while, actually, that I can just do filming and knitting and that kind of stuff. So, the plan is to sort of try and document it all. The first thing I need to do is to have this coffee. And then the second thing I need to do, not spilling my coffee everywhere because that would be tragic and I'd be behind already, is to film 15 minutes on the sock knitting challenge. And then I've got a few other things I need to work on. So we'll do the sock knitting challenge one and then I'll catch back up with you. Right, okay, just trying to get situated here to do this. Coffee is nearly done. I've done the heel flap. Now, all of these safety pins are just showing where a day's progress is, but they're now going to be in the way because today I need to pick up the stitches. I need to insert this one halfway across here so that I know where I'm going. This is not going to be a lot of progress, but we've got Google ready to go. We've got my iPad with some entertainment ready to go, and I will start working on this one. Right. Okay. Yeah. All right, here we go. Anyway, my sock video is now done. I've picked up and gone around the edges. These are real pain in the butt as you're knitting, but yeah, what can you do? I now need to edit that video and get that one up for 6 p.m. tonight. And then I think what I'm going to do is work on... Oh, it's tough to know. I either have to work on the Mother's Day socks or my granny squares. I think I might work on the granny squares for a bit. We shall see. Anyway, I need to get the sock video edited and up on TikTok. Right, so I've got a whole stack of video introductions that I need to get done today because right now it is not windy. And what you don't understand about New Zealand and the wind is that when it's windy, it's windy. Because we're in the roaring 40s. So I've got a whole stack of introductions I need to film. And I've got... Yeah, I'm just trying to get it done before breakfast while it's not windy. But it is a very misty morning here in autumn. All right, I'll catch you back later on today. All right, hopefully that worked. I've filmed a few introductions. I've tried the old swap the top trick and see if that makes things look slightly different. Not that I think it really matters to anybody whether or not I'm batch filming introductions, because I do work full time and this vegetable patch does not take care of itself. So now it's time, I think, to go in and have breakfast. It's quite late for me. It's 8:30 in the morning. The chickens are busy doing their chicken thing. I do have some garden stuff I need to do. I need to get some cabbage seeds planted and started over the next couple of days. We are going away in the next couple of days, so I'm trying to get as much filming done because I know that while I'm away I will be able to get some of the knitting done. But I also really do need to get the video for the Mother's Day socks sorted out because Mother's Day comes up on the 12th of May here in New Zealand, and I would like that video released at the end of April so that people have enough time to make those socks for Mother's Day if they so desire. And that means I basically need to do that today. I need to make sure that the pattern is typed up, the photos are all taken, and the video tutorial has been done. I think I've filmed the actual tutorial part of doing the stitches, but I have definitely not edited the video and I have not gone through and checked the written pattern. So those things are on the agenda for later on today, but I think I'll do some crochet and some knitting, but next is definitely breakfast. All right, it's 10 in the morning and I mean, I'm doing all right for time. Rocky's had his breakfast and now having his morning bark. He needs to go for a walk. So that should be next on the agenda. I've just filmed 15 short videos for amigurumi, and I'm now realizing just how much of a massive undertaking this is. I should have come up with this idea in January, I think, rather than mid-April. No, I've done 14. I still need 16 more amigurumi projects. I've got a dog that's partway done. I'm going to have to go back through my list and see what patterns I've got that I really want to try still. I think I've used most of the patterns I wanted to try. I still haven't done a bee. I could do a bee. I should do a bee, because that at least takes care of another one. I've got some projects in a bin that I could pull out if I need to, but I didn't want to do that. I wanted to make new ones. But I now need to download the music, because the music's come through, pull it into iMovie and start editing it all together, if that makes sense. Yeah, but before then I need to do some voiceover work, and I need to take him for a walk, do the dishes, then I can do the voiceover work, and then I can write up the patterns properly and test those, because I do want to get the Mother's Day sock pattern out this week, preferably. Yeah. All right, I'll walk the dog, wash the dishes, and get back to you.